Here's the news of the day.
The Advanced Air Mobility Institute has released the 2025 Winter Global AAM Forum Summary Report, analyzing industry trends, regulatory challenges, and AAM advancements across 70 countries.
EHang's EH216-S completed Europe's first urban pilotless eVTOL flight in Benidorm, Spain, showcasing safe multi-drone coordination. Explore in this article its impact on urban air mobility.
Aviation Manufacturing celebrates its 500th rotor balancing system delivery and unveils the next-gen USBF-3, enhancing efficiency and durability. Explore its impact on rotorcraft maintenance.
Everdrone has expanded its life-saving AED drone deliveries to Mondal, reaching 60,000 more residents. Discover how drone technology is transforming emergency response.
ePlane is partnering with Dubai's Empire Aviation Group to expand its eVTOL operations internationally, accelerating air taxi and air ambulance deployment. Explore how this collaboration shapes urban air mobility.
Mallet Enterprises will supply 30 ME-1A amphibious aircraft to Jolie Airlines, expanding air connectivity in Africa. Discover how this deal supports regional accessibility.
Politis reported $1.8 billion in revenue for 2024, up 10.5%, with 153 aircraft delivered and a $3.2 billion order backlog. Explore how the company navigated a challenging market.
Textron has elected Rob Mionis to its board of directors, bringing aerospace and industrial expertise from his leadership at Celestica and Standard Aero.
Wastefront has begun building a tire-to-fuel facility in Sunderland, aiming to convert waste tires into sustainable aviation fuel, with operations starting in 2026.
Wildfires are now a year-round threat, demanding rapid response and precise fire retardant deployment. Discover how the industry is tackling this challenge.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.